Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain you about all of the 6 ray diagrams of image formation in concave mirror. So let's begin. So let's go with the first one. Okay guys, so this first scenario is our object is between pole and focus. Okay, so right here is our object. Okay, so our first ray will come from the center of curvature. As per the rule of image formation, the ray which comes from the center of curvature will reflect and go back with the same path if it comes from the center of curvature. Okay, so this ray reflect and goes from the same path from where it came actually. Okay, so the first ray is this, and the second ray will come from right here, reflect at pole and goes by making the same angle from where it came. Okay, so if a ray comes and reflects from pole, it will make the same angle as the incident ray. Okay, so I have explained you this. As you can see guys here, the rays are going on completely separate paths, which means they can never intersect. Okay, so we have to extend the rays behind the mirror like this. Okay, so our image forms behind the mirror, beyond the mirror. Okay, this is the only rule in concave mirror in which the image is virtual and it forms beyond the mirror. Okay guys, so let's go for the size of the image. The image size is so enlarged as compared to the object size. Is it clear? So let's go for the second one. Guys, so let's go for the second one. Here guys, in this scenario our object is at the focal point. Yeah, it's at the focus. So guys, the first ray will come from parallel to the principal axis, and guys it will go by passing through the focus as per the image formation rule. If a ray comes from parallel to the principal axis, it will surely go by passing through the focus. This is as per the image formation rule. Okay, so the second ray is coming from here and it will touch the pole. Okay, it will touch the pole and will go back by making the same angle as the incident ray made by the principal axis. Okay, so here as you can see guys, these both rays are parallel. That means they can never intersect. Okay, so the image here in this scenario will be formed at infinity. That means it will be very far away from here. It will be somewhere here, etc., very far from the mirror. Okay, and the size will be enlarged. It will be very big from the object size. Okay, I hope it's clear. So let's go for the third one. Guys, so the third scenario is the object is between focus and the center of curvature. Okay, so let's begin. So usually a ray comes from parallel to the principal axis and it goes by passing through the focus, and ray the second ray comes by passing through the focus and goes parallel to the principal axis. If a ray is coming from parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus. If a ray comes by passing through the focus, it will be going by parallel to the principal axis. These both rules are opposite, so it is very easy to understand. Okay, so our image is formed beyond C guys, and the nature will be real and inverted. Okay, so the nature is real and inverted. The size is enlarged. Okay, so let's go for the fourth one. So here guys, in the fourth scenario, our object is at C. Guys, this case is very easy as well as important. Okay, so here is our object. Okay, so as usual, a ray comes from parallel to the principal axis and it goes through the focus, and a ray is coming by passing to the focus and it will go from parallel to the principal axis. Okay guys, so the main point is the image is formed at C. The image is at the same place of the object, but The image is real and inverted. And the size? What about size? It is the same size as of the object. Okay guys, so let's go for the fifth one. Okay guys, so our fifth scenario. Okay, so here the object is beyond the center of curvature. Okay, object is here. Okay, so as usual a ray comes parallel to the principal axis and it goes by passing through the focus, and a ray is going through the focus and going parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so here our image is formed between F and C, between the focus and the center of curvature, and the nature will be real and inverted and the size will be diminished. Okay, so let's go for the sixth one. Here guys, our object is at infinity, which means the object is very far from the mirror. It's around here, a distance which we do not know basically. Okay, so the rays are coming from here, right, coming parallel to the principal axis and going by passing through the focus. Same, the second ray is also coming parallel to the principal axis and going by passing through the focus. So the both rays meet at focus, so our image will be formed here and it will be enlarged. Okay, okay guys, if you like my explanation, please give a feedback. I seek your feedbacks to improve myself. Okay guys, if you like my explanation, do like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe. I will get motivated. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.